Welcome back to GearLoom, where the future doesn't wait to arrive, it pulls up in silence, wrapped in silver and intention. Some cars aim for innovation. Others chase performance. But a select few dare to define what comes next. Today, we meet one of them. A name crafted not from legacy, but from ambition itself. This is the 2030 Mercedes-Benz Mythos SLX Roadster, a vision of grand touring reborn for a world that refuses to slow down. This isn't evolution. This isn't nostalgia. This is Mercedes rewriting the meaning of luxury. Up front, the Mythos SLX wears a grille sculpted from living metal, an adaptive surface that reshapes its contours with airflow, the Mercedes star floating inside like a suspended jewel. Ultra-thin photon-beam headlights carve the night with surgical precision, tracing the road with an almost human awareness. Every line on the hood flows with intention, folding into a stance that whispers, "I don't chase speed. Speed follows me." From the side, the proportions hit you first, long, low, impossibly clean. The doors slide forward on magnetic rails, opening like the movement of a whisper. The silhouette carries the soul of the SL heritage, but the posture is something else entirely. And when the roof folds back, a silent, synchronized glass and carbon motion, the sky becomes the final design element. At the rear, Mercedes resurrects minimalism as art. A single continuous light blade stretches across the tail, pulsing like a heartbeat. Active aero wings rise and dissolve into the body seamlessly, never breaking the sculpture, only enhancing it. It feels less like a car and more like a piece of kinetic architecture. Step inside, and you enter a world curated, not constructed. The cabin flows with bioengineered leather, soft-touch ceramics, and liquid metal accents that glow under ambient silver-blue lighting. The seats respond to your heartbeat, your breathing, your posture, tightening, relaxing, adapting in real time. Mercedes calls it responsive serenity. You simply call it perfection. A panoramic glass arc displays everything from navigation to performance telemetry, rendered with depth so real it feels like you're looking into another dimension. No clutter. No noise. Just information that appears only when it matters. And then there's the soundscape, designed by Hans Zimmer and AKG engineers. A 32-speaker holographic audio system that layers sound like a studio mixing live in motion. Top down or roof closed, the world outside never intrudes. But beneath all this calm, a storm breathes. The Mythos SLX Roadster hides a next-generation AMG hyper-hybrid V10, paired with dual electric torque motors, a system hand-calibrated for instantaneous response. 1,050 horsepower. 0 to 60 in 2.4 seconds. Top speed, 228 miles per hour. Yet it moves with the grace of a yacht slicing through mirror-still water. In comfort mode, the engine whispers. In Performance Plus, it becomes a symphony of mechanical poetry, a controlled roar shaped by titanium valves and active acoustic chambers. Every shift is intuition. Every turn, a thought translated into motion. But Mercedes didn't build this car just to go fast. They built it to feel alive. Predictive suspension scans the road 2,500 times per second, adjusting damping before your brain even registers motion. The steering evolves from featherlight elegance to weighty precision at the flick of a setting. You don't drive the Mythos SLX. You collaborate with it. For purists, an optional Mythos, Obsidian track, package strips away luxury and reveals the beast beneath: forged carbon everything, matte black aero, a valve titanium exhaust tuned for maximum resonance, and a 150-pound weight drop. Press the ignition, and a pulse of red flows through the cabin like adrenaline. Yet in the end, speed is only part of the story. The Mythos SLX is an experience, presence sculpted into motion. Roof down, city lights reflecting off liquid chrome, the car becomes a moment suspended in time. A reminder that luxury is not excess. Luxury is intention. Hybrid hyper-efficiency, AI learning systems, autonomous grand touring mode, it's all here, built for a world where elegance and intelligence merge. But none of it overshadows what the Mythos truly is. A future you can feel. A dream you can touch. A statement you don't need to announce, because it announces you. This is the 2030 Mercedes-Benz Mythos SLX Roadster. A masterpiece engineered to capture tomorrow, while making today unforgettable. A legend not reborn, but created.